What's up, Blonde Dogs? Just doing this unboxing of Fireflies. Not sure what those black things are, but you know, these should light up, but they're not lighting up. I'm about to show you how it works. So let's take it out. It opens up real easy. These come out. This is off. I don't know if it should be. Oh, twist back in. This one's kind of crooked. There we go. Let's see. Oh, okay, this twist off. That's the inside. There's a little paper in there. Take that paper off. Well, I'm assuming you take that paper off. Off it goes. Look at it, sticks to. Then I'll screw this back in. Oh, we got some lightage. That was simple. I guess I ordered yellow. Took a month to get here. Let's get the other one. I guess the faster it goes, the more it lights up. You can't really see it with this light on. So let's untwist this one. Get over here. I'm gonna put them on my car right now. Take out the stupid paper. Put it back on. Oh, there it goes. Wow. I don't even know if it's gonna look good. Let's see. Should be alright. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna put them on my car.